how to make repost private on TikTok. So if you want to make a repost private on your TikTok, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your TikTok application. After opening your TikTok, you need to just go with the profile, which is on the bottom right. From the profile, you need to go with repost. Now, in my case, I've not reposted anything, so I'll just simply go and repost. Now, go with profile, and here you will have your repost, right? So if you just simply tap on your repost, then you will have the video right here. Now, if you tap and hold on to that, you'll be able to remove the repost, but you won't be able to make your repost private. But there's another way. What you can do is just simply go back, go with your profile, and go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and go with settings and privacy. Now go with the privacy again, and here you need to turn on your private account. So you need to switch to your personal account to set as a private account. After turning on your account private, now you can go back, and your reposts are also set to private. Only your friends will be able to see your repost and not everyone. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.